Yep.
Yeah.
Railway vehicles.
Subway.
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 Do you know about the subway?
Yeah.
Did you ever drive on it?
Yeah.
Where did you drive on it?
Canada.
In Toronto, maybe?
Canada.
Oh, okay.
Streetcar.
Streetcar.
Have you ever driven on a streetcar?
Yeah, I went on one on a biking.
Commuter train.
Ooh,
That's like a gold train.
that's kind of like the GO train, right?
Yeah.
In Toronto, right?
Yeah. I went on one.
You went on that?
Yeah. Oh, it's too fast.
It's so fast, right?
Oh, it's too fast for me.
Yeah. What's this one?
Intercity train.
Ooh, is that one go slow or fast?
I think it's slow.
Slow or fast?
I like that one. I think it's slow.
That's a good one. What's gonna come next?
High-speed train.
Ooh.
High-speed train.
Does that one go really fast?
That really, really fast. Maglev.
Maglev.
I want a maglev too. Like
What's a maglev?
they don't have wheels.
Oh,
So
that's interesting.
monorail.
Monorail.
They don't have. They don't have wheels either.
Oh,
So
interesting. They're probably really fast, hey?
cable car.
Cable car.
Cable car. That's cute. Just a little one.
Yeah.
What's next?
Locomotive.
Look at Pluto.
Ah, that looks kind of like James.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like that looks like one.
What's the end? Is that like a caboose?
Yeah.
Cool. What's this guy?
Freight train.
Freight train.
Freight train. What do they do?
They have freight cars.
Oh, yeah. What's that green one?
That's a tank car.
Tank car. Cool.
I don't know that one.
It's like a cargo car or something. Do you know the song that they're singing?
I don't know.
Dinah, blow your... Can you sing along? Dinah, won't you blow?
Hand car.
Oh, hand car.
Hang on. They're small too. Video come.
Here they come. Woo. Goodbye, trains. Railroad. Can you sing along, love?
Now.
Oh, is that the monorail? There it goes. What's that one? What do you have in your hand, Bobs? Do you have a train there?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.